I'm making light fixtures to install on my fence. I'll need several of these to light a pathway to the shop at the back of the house. The material used to make the lamp housing will be a vinyl fence post. I'll also need a vinyl post cap for each fixture. At just under $5, this will be the most expensive component of the project. One 4x4 post will be enough to make 10 light fixtures. I start by cutting the post into segments of 6 3/4 of an inch. If you have a miter saw, this will work well. I want the lamps to mount an inch away from the fence post. For this, I'm going to use a 1-inch length of 1-inch sprinkler pipe. This is something that I always have in scrap. Each lamp will need 2 standoffs. I drill a couple holes in the lamp housing to mount the spacers. The bottom hole is a 1/4 inch diameter for a threaded rod. The top hole is 3/8 of an inch diameter to fit a piece of threaded lamp pipe. Because I'm making several of these, I made a drill template from a scrap piece of plywood. The outer housing is complete. Now to mount the lamp socket. To attach the socket to the housing, I use a couple short pieces of angled aluminum. For my build, I used a standard E26 socket with a lamp pipe mount. Cost is about $2.50 online. Now a quick look at the hardware stack-up for the spacer mounts. I start with a 2-inch piece of 1/4-20 all thread. Inside the light housing is a nut and a washer. Outside is a 1-inch OD washer. This will center the spacer. This will be secured with a nut. The hardware stack is repeated at the other end. The light socket is threaded onto a standard crossbar mount. Wires are routed through the lamp pipe. And finally, the socket assembly is fastened into the lamp housing. Now set on the top cap, and it's time to head outside and assemble this light fixture to the post. 2 washers and 2 nuts secure the fixture. All that's left is to replace the caps, and then wait till evening to test it out. I like it.